how to hide your followers on Facebook. The first thing you need to do is to click on your profile picture here to the right once you already logged into your Facebook app. Now click on the bar to the top, scroll down, click on the three dots here to the right. Now click on view as. This will allow you to see how other people visiting your page are viewing your page. Here you can see I have 5.1k followers and 0 following. Okay, just click on the arrow back button. Click on it once again. Just click on it until you go back to the home page. Now click on your profile picture once again. Now scroll down. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Okay, now scroll down. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Take your time. Now click on followers and public content. The next thing you want to do is locate the place written who can see your followers on your timeline. This is what you are interested in. Just click on the arrow. Now you can see our various options here, the public, friends, and only me. I want to select only me. Okay, now just save it. Once again, click on the arrow back button until you go back to the home screen.